Hey there, gamers! Are you ready to dive into the world of gaming tech and discover the latest and most anticipated feature in the newest PS5 monitors of 2024? Today, we're delving into the realm of gaming monitors specifically designed for the PS5. Choosing the right monitor can significantly enhance your gaming experience, so let's explore the top options available in 2024. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges faced by gamers when selecting the perfect monitor to maximize their PS5 gaming performance. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to find the ideal monitor that meets all your gaming needs. When it comes to PS5 monitors, there are key features you should look out for to ensure an immersive gaming experience. Factors such as resolution, refresh rate, and compatibility with PS5 technology are crucial in enhancing your gameplay. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the top 3 PS5 monitors of 2024. These monitors have been carefully selected based on their performance, price, and overall value, promising an unparalleled gaming experience for all PS5 enthusiasts. To wrap things up, always remember the importance of choosing the right monitor for an optimal gaming experience. Your monitor can make a significant difference in how you experience your favorite games, so choose wisely. Before we sign off, don't forget to share your thoughts on the best PS5 monitors of 2024 in the comments section below. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest gaming tech trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more gaming tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming!